Oh, sweating. All the sweat today, okay? Wow, I can't even begin to tell you what this is like. My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona, and today I thought I would blow up my SereneLife Stand-Up Paddleboard. I am going to go on a camping trip here very shortly, just in a couple days. And before I left, I thought I would try to blow it up live here on camera. So let's go ahead and get to it. This is the SereneLife Stand-Up Paddleboard. I've already done an unboxing of this. Getting it in here, this is actually quite heavy, and getting it back in here was a bit of an annoyance. So, you know, I like when people do unboxings, but nobody ever talks about like how to blow one of these up. So I thought we could try and do it together. I've never done one of these before, so we're gonna try and do it together. So as we saw, it comes with this strap, and then I'm gonna blow it up from this side. I try to angle the camera so that it looked good, but I don't know how this is gonna go. So I think if we roll it out this way, I have plenty of room that way, and then we can blow it up from here, you know? So it looks like it's got a cap. I don't know if you can see that here, cap. And I had to push the camera way back in order for you to see all this. Anyways, so it's got the cap, here's the blow up thing, and then it also has the hose in here, and I have the pump. So it came with all of these things, and I think we just have to put it together in order to make it work. So let's see here. This is the hose. And I think we just screw this in here. I'm not too sure which side, so I'm just gonna pick a side at random. INF? DEF. I don't know what that means. But I can feel the air whenever I pump it. I feel the air pumping out through here. So I think it has to, I think it gets sucked in through this nozzle and it goes out through this nozzle on this side. So again, we're figuring this out together. Okay, and then look, it looks like this has a clip that just kind of clips in here, and I can already see where this goes. How on earth does that clip in there? Oh, I see, okay. So it clips in, so you push it and then it just twists and twists and twists until it's in there, and then I think all we do is we just pump it up, right? Because I think it's a one-way valve, and then this is the final clip. So let's try and do this live on camera. And I think, so the first thing is you have to roll it all the way out. We're gonna do that. It's got the fins too. Okay, let's blow it up. Let's see if this works. Because I think I'm supposed to go to 2 bar, I believe is what the instructions say. Well, I think it goes to the manual. I don't know. Let's try and inflate. Oh, here it is. It says maximum recommended pressure 15 psi equals 1 bar. So we're gonna inflate to 1 bar, and the 1 bar is actually here on the blow up thing there. So I don't know if you can see that. I'll take a picture here in a little bit. But yeah, so it's got the 1 bar there at the top. So we're gonna try and inflate it. Let's do this. Probably helps if I'm out. Is it inflating? Yes, it is. Wow, this takes a while. Hi there, Editor Jillian here. I just want to let you know that that pump actually has a dual action nozzle. So I did not have to pump it up in that way. There's actually a switch on it, so you can switch it from single action to dual action. So this video is truly the longest you could ever take in pumping up a stand-up paddleboard. It should not take this long. And in fact, I figured this out when I was camping. So I figured out that you could change it to dual action and pump it up really fast. And then once it started getting really difficult, you could change it to single action and pump it up like a regular bike pump the rest of the way to make it easier on yourself. So, okay, that's all. Back to the video. Speeding this part up. And I'm sweating. Awesome. What are we up to? Not even 5 pounds yet. Yay. Just gonna have to be a 6-part video. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna have to move it down. Look at this. Cool. Oh, this is good. This is gonna be like half the video. Wow, look at this. I can't believe how thick it is. Dang. Oh my god. We're not even at 10 pounds yet. It's getting harder now. We're almost at 10 pounds. Another 5 to go? Whew. Oh, crap. Just want to make sure it's not leaking. Wow. I cannot believe how much air this holds. I'm almost at 15. It's so hard. Ugh. Okay. I'm at like 14 pounds. Whew. Wow. Oh my gosh, I'm scared to like, is it gonna blow? Like, what do I do here? Okay. So you just pull that out. And then this cap goes in there like this. And then like that. Whoa. This is nice. Oh my gosh, I have to show you guys this. This is so cool. I know you do. Thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. As you can see, we did it. We blew up the paddleboard. I am covered in sweat, but you know, it works. So thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below, or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. All the sweat. Nice, huh? Oh my god. I look great. It looks awesome. Like I just blew up a stand-up paddleboard with my mouth. I'm dripping everywhere. Oh no. Oh no. Why me? Brother. Okay.